DIY cuticle oils, kitchen magic for fabulous nails. Hey there, nail enthusiasts. Ready to dive into the world of DIY cuticle oils? Let's get those nails looking fabulous with some kitchen magic. So, you're probably wondering, why should I care about cuticle oil? Well, let me tell you, it's the secret weapon for strong, healthy nails that'll make your friends go, wow. And the best part? You can whip it up right in your own kitchen. Let's start with our nail strengthening superhero recipe. It's got olive oil, avocado oil, and jojoba oil. Talk about a power trio. Throw in some vitamin E and essential oils like lavender, rosemary, and lemon, and bam! You've got yourself a nail-nourishing cocktail that'll make your cuticles do a happy dance. But wait, there's more. For those of you with nails drier than a desert, we've got the Moisture Miracle Blend. Coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and vitamin E come together in a silky smooth concoction that'll have your nails saying thank you. Now, for all you overachievers out there, we've got the Grow Baby Grow formula. Camellia oil, castor oil, and vitamin E oil join forces to create a growth-boosting elixir that'll have your nails reaching for the stars. And last but not least, for those of us fighting the good fight against Father Time, we present the age-defying Wonder Oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, frankincense, and myrrh. It's like a spa day for your cuticles. But hold on to your nail files, folks, because we're not done yet. We've got a bonus round of essential oil combos that'll knock your socks off. Lavender and lemon for a zesty refresh, tea tree and lavender for a soothing cleanse, or peppermint and rosemary for a minty kick. The possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Get mixing, get applying, and get ready for nails that'll be the talk of the town. Trust me, your cuticles will thank you. Want to learn more about these magical mixes? Keep scrolling for the full recipes and get ready to become a DIY cuticle oil pro. Your nails are about to embark on a glow-up journey like no other.